about to get a nail trim and a beak trim. That beak got too big. Come on. Oh, you hurting my fucking hand. Okay, he's not even getting off. Lucky, come on, we need to go. Come on. Come on. Lucky, get off this. You're making it hard for me. We're gonna be in traffic and everything. Come on now. Lucky. About to be in traffic, alright? Good boy. So we're about 31 minutes away. We making pretty good time. I'm actually shocked because usually when we go to this place, like around this time, like it's traffic, like traffic hell. So right now it's going pretty smoothly. Lucky is over there chilling, you know, and you know, in a good mood. I just want him to keep that same energy when he get his beak and his nails trimmed. Here we go. We're going to Fancy Feathers. Lucky, you ready? Not really. But yeah. Here go Fancy Feathers, y'all. It's a good place. Hey. How you doing? I'm doing good. I brought Lucky over to get a beak trim and nails. Lucky's all good.
Oh my goodness gracious. Let me see what these wings look like.
Oh yeah, we leaving the wings by itself though.
Oh my goodness, you could fly to Alaska. You want his wings done? All right, go on in there.
Lucky.
Shut the door.
Parrot and forgot what type of Amazon this is called. Is it double-headed, yellow-headed Amazon? I don't remember. It says do not touch birds anyway. On stand. You trying to get this spray milling in my hand? What's up? You trying to get this spray milling in my hand? Oh, y'all both is. What's up? Y'all trying to get some spray millet? I don't know if I'm supposed to. It says do not touch, so. But y'all look like y'all cool. All right, we all dried up now. Lucky. You gonna say something? Not right now? All right, well, we out.